Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to download TCPView on your Windows computer step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Microsoft Sysinternals TCPView download page. Once the page opens, scroll down until you find the Download TCPView button. Click the Download TCPView button and your browser will begin downloading the zip file. The download usually finishes within a few seconds because the file size is small. After the download is complete, open your browser's downloads list or click Show in Folder to locate the downloaded TCPView zip file. That's it. You have successfully downloaded TCPView and it's now ready for the next step, where you can extract the zip file and start using the application. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.